Today we will share with you two types of stuffed zucchini recipes that we really enjoy. They are very easy to make and really delicious. We will make one with meat and one vegetarian. For these recipes we use a mixed mince of beef and pork, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, rice, cream, carrots, blue cheese, marjoram, salt, ground pepper, white onions, vegetable stock, sweet red pepper, and of course zucchini. Now let's get to it. So we cleaned, sliced and diced all the ingredients, and now we put our carved zucchini on a baking tray. You can use any baking tray you like. We season them with salt and ground pepper. We continue by cooking our rice. We pour the rice in a pot and we add the vegetable stock. We let it cook, and in the meanwhile in a pan we add some olive oil and the carrots. We let them sear for a moment. Then we add the diced pepper. We give it a mix and we continue by adding the diced onion and garlic. We season with salt and ground pepper and we sear until the onion is translucent. We add the mushrooms and some diced zucchini. We mix everything together and we pour some water and let it cook for a few minutes. When the rice is ready, we mix it with the cooked vegetables and we are done. We add the stuffing and we put some water in the tray and we bake it for roughly 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend to cover the tray with foil. Now we do the non-vegetarian ones. In a hot pan we add the diced bacon and we sear until golden and crisp. We then add the minced meat. We mix it well. When it changed its color, we add the carrots. The diced white onion and the garlic. We season with salt, ground pepper and marjoram. We sear it for a minute and we add the cherry tomatoes. We let it cook, and in the meantime we brush our carved and pre-seasoned zucchini with olive oil on all sides. In a small bowl we break a whole egg. We add the cream and we whisk it together. When done, we add the stuffing and we pour our cream on top of it. We then add some water in our tray, but if you want you can put tomato sauce or any kind of sauce you like. We cover the tray with foil and we bake it for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. We then take them out of the oven and we add some shaved matured cheddar on a few, and on the others we add some blue cheese. We put them back in the oven without the foil for another 5 minutes until our cheese melts completely, and we are done. These recipes are delicious and very easy to make. This is how they look like. Try them out and let us know which one was your favorite. If you enjoyed our video, then subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next week.